Check this out, guys. G-Shock have come out with another collaboration piece, this time with the new wave fashion brand Sankuanz. This watch uses carbon and stainless steel in the case and bezel, and sapphire glass on the face. Everything about this piece screams premium. From the weight of it to the feel of the buttons, it's finely crafted. Sankuanz's concept is Kill the Wall, which is all about breaking down the walls of fashion and streetwear culture. I love the monochrome color theme, which is broken up with just a splash of lime green on the second hand and in the inside of the band. And here you can see a statement from Sankuanz talking about the thin green line. Interpret that as you wish. The case size is a whopping 55mm and 16mm thick, so not a small watch by anyone's standards. I've never seen this in a band, but I quite like it. The inside of the band is this silicone composite, which makes for a really comfy wear, but you still get an awesome finish on the outside with this brushed metal look. And check out the detail in the face. This beauty is truly something. The model number for this one is MTGB200SKZ-1A. You can shop for this piece and more of Casio's G-Shocks in store and online at shields.com.au.